So I have all these brick buildings, and the material is laid out in world space. So the brick is all the same size, but I want variation based on building to start with. And then I'm going to add a whole bunch of noises and grunges based on position. What I've done is I've blended in a texture that is this color noise that I got from that Perlin creation website. So I grab the object position, put it through a mask. So I just want the R in the UVW of the world position. I just want the U position, right? So the R channel. I could pipe that right into the UVs, but I want to be able to control it a little. So I've divided it by a constant vector, and I made that a parameter so that in the material instance I can control it. And then I'm using a blend overlay to blend this color texture over the top of my diffuse. Compile. And now you'll see that each of these is sort of a different value. And what I did there was I actually only used the red channel of that noise texture. Because if I do the R, G, and B, it gets a little lollipoppy. Too much color going on there. I can actually tone that down quite a bit. Like I could put a contrast desat node in here before I put it into the blend overlay, but instead I just wanted the grayscale because I really just want the value changed. And now if I go into the material instance, I have a parameter that will change sort of the scale of the noise across that. And the higher the number, the more likely two buildings next to each other are going to be the same color. So I guess I could rename that parameter like, I don't know, evenness, I don't know. But it's a start because it allows me to generate sort of random variations per object in the scene and still have world space textures.